Let's talk about trading stocks and why it's so emotionally charged. You see the charts rise, hear stories of overnight fortunes and think, I can do that. You buy your first stock, the price climbs, and you feel unstoppable. But when the price drops, excitement turns to panic. Every red tick feels personal. You start second-guessing sell now or hold on. This is the emotional roller coaster of manual trading decisions driven by fear and greed, not logic. One minute you're on top of the world, the next you regret everything. You might sell too early out of fear or hold too long, hoping for a miracle. It's not a strategy, it's gambling with anxiety. Humans aren't wired for the constant pressure of the markets. We get attached to winners, hate admitting mistakes, and let emotions cloud judgment. Most new traders fail not from lack of intelligence, but from letting feelings override logic. Trading with your heart, not your head, is a recipe for disaster. The market doesn't care about your feelings, but your money does. Emotions are just the start. Manual trading has deeper flaws. You can't watch the market every second. Life gets in the way. Opportunities appear and vanish while you're busy or asleep. Missed chances mean bigger losses or missed gains. Consistency is nearly impossible. One day you're bold, the next you hesitate. This inconsistency means you're not following a system, just reacting. Over time, random emotional decisions drain your account. Manual trading doesn't scale, you can only track a handful of stocks. What about the dozens of other opportunities you're missing? You're a one-person operation in a global arena. The market never sleeps, but you have to. You're always a step behind, limited by time and attention. Competing against algorithms and professionals, you're set up to lose. Manual trading is an uphill battle, one you're not likely to win. The odds are stacked against you from the start. There's a smarter way. So, what's the alternative? HFTtrade bot. It's not sci-fi, just a computer program executing your HFTtrade bot strategy. You set the rules. The HFTtrade bot follows them perfectly, 24/7. Think of it as your tireless, emotionless HFTtrade bot employee. If stock XYZ hits $50, the bot buys instantly, even if you're asleep. It removes human flaws from HFTtrade bot execution. Your job, create a smart plan. The HFTtrade bot's job, execute it flawlessly. You're freed from staring at screens and making impulsive decisions. HFTtrade bot isn't about losing control. It's about gaining it. Your logical rules are always in charge, not your emotions. The HFTtrade bot never hesitates, never panics, never deviates from your HFTtrade bot strategy. Trading becomes systematic with HFTtrade bot, not stressful. You focus on strategy. The HFTtrade bot handles the rest. That's a smarter way to trade with HFTtrade bot. HFTtrade bot gives you superpowers. First, speed. Bots execute trades in milliseconds. No hesitation. Second, emotionless HFTtrade bot discipline. Bots never get greedy or scared. They follow your rules every time. Third, 24/7 HFTtrade bot monitoring. Bots watch global markets while you sleep. Your strategy works around the clock, everywhere. Fourth, HFTtrade bot backtesting. Test your ideas on years of data before risking real money. Fifth, HFTtrade bot scalability. Bots can track hundreds of stocks at once, diversify and seize more opportunities than any human could. You eliminate your biggest weakness, yourself. HFTtrade bot means discipline, speed, and reach. It's like having a team of tireless HFTtrade bots working for you. That's the edge you need. Let's bust some myths about HFTtrade bots. Myth 1. Only experts can use them. False. Today's platforms are beginner-friendly, with drag-and-drop tools and no coding required. Myth 2. Bots are riskier than manual trading. In reality, bots enforce your risk rules perfectly. No emotional overrides. You can set strict stop losses, and the bot will always follow them. Myth 3. You need a fortune to start. Not true. Many brokers offer commission-free trading, and you can begin with just a few $100s. The goal is to test your strategy small, then scale up. Bots aren't magic. They're tools. They do exactly what you tell them, no more, no less. Automation is accessible, safe if used wisely, and open to everyone. Don't let outdated ideas hold you back. The barriers are lower than ever. Anyone can get started. Let's compare a human trader to a bot with a simple moving average crossover strategy. As a human, you track 10 stocks, checking charts all day. You get excited, but life interrupts. You miss the buy signal, and the stock jumps before you act. On the sell side, you hesitate, hoping for a rebound, and watch your gains vanish. Emotions override your plan, and you lose out. Now, the bot, you program the same rules for those 10 stocks. The bot monitors all charts all the time. The instant a buy or sell signal appears, it acts. No hesitation, no emotion. It locks in gains, cuts losses, and never misses a beat. The bot isn't smarter. It's just perfectly consistent. It follows your plan every time. You're free from stress and second guessing. The bot wins by being the perfect executor. That's the power of automation. It's not about genius. It's about discipline. Let the bot do what humans can't. That's how you win. Ready to start? Here's how. First, open a brokerage account that supports automated trading. Look for one with an API like Interactive Brokers or Alpaca. Next, choose an automation tool. No-code platforms like Composer or Capitalize let you build strategies with plain English or drag and drop. Start simple, try a moving average crossover. Use the platform's backtesting tool to see how your idea would have performed in the past. Refine your rules until you're confident. Then, paper trade, run your bot in real markets with fake money. Watch how it performs for a few weeks. Only after successful paper trading should you risk real money and start small. Prove your concept before scaling up. Automation is about smart, careful steps. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just start, test, and grow. The verdict is clear. HFTtrade bot is the future manual. Trading is a losing game for most. It's stressful, emotional, and stacked against you. HFTtrade bot levels the playing field. Your best ideas executed with HFTtrade bot precision 24/7. 24/7. No more missed opportunities or emotional mistakes. You can test, refine, and scale your strategies like never before. HFTtrade bot isn't magic, it's discipline, logic, and HFTtrade bot control. You still need a smart strategy, but now you can focus on thinking, not clicking. HFTtrade bot is accessible to everyone, not just Wall Street pros. By automating, you take control away from your worst enemy, your emotions. Choose discipline over chaos, logic over fear. In the long run, that's the smartest trade you can make. The future of trading is automated. Don't get left behind.